Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Tuesday, July the 30th, and it's time to rip off the band-aid and get this video out. I've had some time now to reflect on, just kind of gather my thoughts, so to speak. But if you're not familiar, if you weren't part of the live stream this morning, the live stream witnessed it live and in person, but we did not we did not have a good day. I will a little bit of a spoiler alert. Did not have a good day. Very frustrating day for me. And honestly, it started with it started with the overnight session for me, and I've been trading really well in the overnight session, but last night was not the case. I could not trade for the life of me. And it was just one of those things where I literally had, I'm not even sure, but I think I had 6 or 7 straight losses where I was barely even in profit. And it just it put me over the edge a little bit. And I was very frustrated. Anyway, I kept trading until I blew an account last night. So I was annoyed. I was frustrated heading into today. And I should have just traded an eval, or I should not have been trading today. I was not in a good mental state. The other thing, like, I hate bringing outside stuff in, but the other thing that was a factor was right now with my work. Yesterday afternoon got some news that was it was very disturbing news and not good news. And it just has put me kind of in a funk, so to speak. And I think that kind of contributed as well. I was just frustrated and annoyed. And then the combination of everything, I was not in a good headspace. I really wasn't. And I should have just walked away and, lived to see another day. But nope, I didn't. And here are the results. It's brutal. It is painful. It is ugly. And we need to have a moment of silence for these 3 accounts. I'd like to especially have a moment of silence for the Behemoth account that has been with us for quite some time. I had high hopes for this account. I really did. I really thought this account I thought we were going places, man. I really thought we were going places. I had some great dreams for this account. And in a matter of about an hour, it all disappeared. I'm very disappointed. It was pretty ugly. It was ugly this morning. You saw some of it live on stream, and there's no other way to put it than it was bad. It was terrible. Went against the trend. I can try and show you guys here what happened. Actually, here is the account where it was traded in. It was a combination. First of all, I took a bad trade. I was looking. This is why it's so frustrating. After we sold off here, I was looking for a short, and I was thinking, okay, let's look for a short. So I go short right here at the 196s, and we just rip higher until I finally yell uncle, and I had my stop right here, and it takes me out, hits my stop loss. And then we make a move lower, but we don't make new lows. And when I saw that, I felt pretty confident that we're going to maybe go test the highs again. So then I jump in long. And of course, wouldn't you know it, it was ugly. We just straight out, just a huge sell off until the account was blown. And again, I had my stop loss right here. And I canceled my stop loss. I saw it coming toward my stop loss, and I was convinced that we were going higher. And I just got it in my head that this is going to be a V-shaped reversal move, and I'm not going to get stopped out by a couple ticks and then it go without me. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to cancel my stop loss. And I did. And well, guess what? This time it kept going lower. And at that point, that's just how we lost the account. Just disappointed and frustrated and just angry as well. A little combination of all three. Now I've had some time to reflect a little bit, and I do feel better. Not everything is obviously. We still have 15 accounts that are in really good shape, and it's I want to make sure I focus on those accounts. I am going to take it pretty slow tomorrow after a day like today. Just take it slow, lower my size, and make sure I'm in a good headspace. And if I start going off the rails, I want to be really quick to shut everything down tomorrow and just not let things get away like they did today. So definitely a learning opportunity today, and hopefully you guys fared better today, because man, what a sell-off. I gotta say, man, this market is just something else. This market is crazy. I mean, we are seeing 200-point moves like it's nothing. And if you have a little bit too big size, man, it can just destroy accounts. So I hope you guys are being careful, and I hope you guys are on the right side of the market. I hope you guys were green. Obviously we were not, and we took a pretty big shot to the groin today. Actually, here in sake of, hang on, just to get some humor. Why can I not? Oh, never mind. Here, this is what happened today. This was me. This was the market. For a little bit of humor today. To end the video, this is exactly what happened today. A visual representation. I'm still recovering. Anyway, we will be back. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully everything will be fine. And I think I might actually try to pass some evals. I think we have Microsoft earnings. I might try to pass some evals. Hopefully that goes better than it did earlier today. So guess we'll see. But regardless, first and foremost, I really do appreciate your guys' support. Witnessing what you did this morning. You guys were very supportive and very encouraging. I really do appreciate that. And we have a really awesome community here. So I do really thank you guys. And it makes me, it just gives me the confidence to, show the good, bad, and ugly. I mean, that's what the channel's about, is showing the good, bad, and ugly. We haven't had a lot of ugly, like as of late, some ugly, but this is definitely ugly, and we'll be all right. We'll recover, and we'll go get him again tomorrow. So again, thanks everyone. Appreciate every one of you. Take care, and God bless.